Hello friends, today we will learn the benefits of living together as a family, helping each other and living with cooperation. See the pictures. What do you see? A family cleaning their home together. Even the children are helping their parents. 3 ants carrying their food. 2 sparrows building a nest together. And people working together in fields. These pictures show the benefits of living together as a family and helping each other in various works. Friends, now we will read a story of Mallow the ant, from which we will learn the benefits of living together, and to easily understand the story, we will translate the story in Hindi also. There was a hole of ants in the corner of the house.
एक घर के कोने में चींटियों द्वारा बनाया गया एक छोटा सा घर था.
There lived a little ant named Mallow.
वहाँ पर मैलो नाम की एक छोटी सी चींटी रहती थी.
She had 2 antlings.
उसके 2 छोटे बच्चे थे.
One day, Mallow heard the gossips of the landlady.
एक दिन मैलो ने घर की मालकिन को किसी से बात करते हुए सुना.
She was saying to the woman next to her, "We will separate from other family members."
वह औरत दूसरी औरत से बोल रही थी कि हम बाकी घर वालों से अलग रहने वाले हैं.
Living separately gives happiness.
अलग रहने से खुशी मिलती है.
It is difficult to live together.
एक साथ रहना बहुत मुश्किल है.
Mallow heard all gossips of ladies.
मैलो ने दोनों औरतों की सारी बातें सुनी.
Mallow also declared it to the other ants that she would get separate from them.
मैलो ने दूसरी चींटियों को बताया कि वह भी अभी सभी चींटियों से अलग होकर रहने वाली हैं.
All the ants advised her that it was not good to be taken in by humans, but Mallow ignored them.
सभी चींटियों ने उसे सलाह दी कि उसे इंसानों की बातें सुनकर उनके पीछे नहीं लगना चाहिए, पर मैलो ने उनकी बातों पर कोई ध्यान नहीं दिया.
She got separated.
वह उनसे अलग हो गई.
Next day, Mallow got a crumb of bread.
अगले दिन मैलो को एक रोटी का टुकड़ा मिला.
She decided to carry it along.
उसने उसे अपने साथ लेकर जाने का फैसला किया.
But the piece was heavy. She was tired.
पर वह टुकड़ा उसके लिए बहुत भारी था, इसलिए वह थक गई.
She tried, but could not carry the piece.
उसने उस टुकड़े को उठाकर ले जाने की कोशिश की, पर वह नहीं ले जा पाई.
She thought if someone could help her, but no one came to help her.
उसने सोचा कि कोई ना कोई उसकी मदद करने के लिए आएगा, पर कोई भी मदद करने के लिए नहीं आया.
She left home crying.
वह रोते रोते घर चली गई.
All family members slept hungry that night.
उस रात परिवार के सभी लोग बिना खाए ही भूखे सो गए.
Next day, Mallow and her antlings united with other ants.
अगले दिन मैलो और उसके बच्चे दूसरी चींटियों से जा मिले.
They gave them food.
उन्होंने उन्हें खाना दिया.
Children got friends to play.
बच्चों को खेलने के लिए दोस्त मिल गए.
Children said to Mallow, Now we will not go from here.
बच्चों ने मैलो से कहा, अब वह यहाँ से कहीं नहीं जाएंगे।
We did not get food and friends there.
हमें वहाँ पर ना ही खाने को मिला और ना ही खेलने को दोस्त मिले।
Mallow embraced her antlings and said, "Now we will live united."
मैलो ने अपने बच्चों को गले लगाते हुए कहा कि अब से वह सबके साथ ही रहेंगे,
It is good for all to live in unity.
क्योंकि एक साथ रहने में ही सबकी भलाई है।
This was the story of Mallow. Here are a few questions from this story. What was the name of the ant? The name of the ant was Mallow. Question number 2. By whose talking Mallow was taken in? Mallow was taken in by the talking of the landlady. Question 3. Why could not Mallow carry the piece of bread? Mallow could not carry the piece of bread because it was heavy for her. Question 4. Why did others not help her? Others did not help her because she separated from them. Question 5. What did ant say to her antlings at last? The ant said to her antlings that from now they will live united and it is good for all to live in unity. So, this was the story of Mallow. I hope you all liked it. So, subscribe this channel for more such stories and share this story to your friends also.